Most valuable premium signature series. S32 with fingerprint unlock, fully automatic mortise system. The deadbolt auto pop out after 20 seconds if no additional operation. It have palm vein unlock, easy for kids and eldest. 3D face recognition, card and password unlock. Receive notifications when doorbell being pressed. Easy to check who is coming. By video call, intercom with them. Remotely unlock. You can unlock door from apps even when you're not at home. Stranger detect. It will alert you with photo capture when strangers stay in front of your door too long. And for continuous error unlocking door, it has security alarm system. Protect your privacy by not giving own password to guests. By creating one temporary password.
Welcome home.
Digital screen door viewer. Replacing peephole to digital one. 5000 mAh lithium rechargeable battery. Manual handle and button from inside to open. Safety lock. Emergency key and power bank jumpstart. Zinc alloy material. Contact our sales team now to get this premium S32 smart lock.